Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, hello, let's get rocked in this hair. Hi guys, so the hair that we're going to be rocking is from WorldNewHair, and this is the hair, guys. Let's first unbox the video. So we're going to get this headband, we're going to get lashes that we don't use, and hey, I'm going to give you a coupon code. So whoever takes this code, it's W15, you get $15 off, right? Yes, so use that coupon code. So I also have this thing that holds the head. I don't know how they call it, but it basically holds, it stops you from using glue on your hair. This one right here, it is like a stopper. I'm going to find out the name and put it in the comment section. So all you have to do is tie it around your hairline, just like here, and it's going to stop the wig from ever getting out of your head. So this is the hair, guys. The hair is water wave, water wave, and it's a lace frontal, as you can see right here on the lace. The lace is transparent. I love the texture of the hair. I love the strength of the lace. That is also important. So when we try it out, it's in 14 inches water wave. This exact weave that I'm putting on, I don't remember, but it's around, usually ask me the prices, it's around $89. So yes, you can get it at a very affordable and cheaper price. So this is the hair, the lace and everything. The hair is from WorldNewHair. So I'm going to put a bit of concealer just to kind of make this lace look like my skin, because you can put it and you can put it and wear it and put the foundation of your choice. Yes, so if you're lighter, you put on something lighter. If you're darker, you put on something darker. Like, it all comes from your shade. So now everything is looking sweet and all that. So this is how I am looking, and then this is the one that I want to emphasize. Just put it just behind your hairline. Get your wig. I'm going to apply a bit of setting spray because I want this wig to last longer on my head. So I'm going to apply a bit of got to be spray just to kind of like make my hair get stuck, stuck, or is it stick or stuck like that, they say. And then I'm going to put it on, boom. So this is how it looks like. We are going to pull it out. We are ready for this hair. The hair is from WorldNewHair. Don't forget, link is in the comment section and also in the description box. Looking here, the next step that we have to do is to cut off the lace. I know it is so boring, but we have to do it, okay? Yeah, we have to cut off the lace. Cut off the lace.
Say something that will make my day.
Okay, and I'm going to make sure that the entire lace is off, just as you see me rocking this water wave. I love the texture of the hair. So you can leave it at this. You can just basically pull it behind or like pull it in front and leave it like that. I'm going to go in with a flat iron just to kind of flatten this place to look like me, my hair. So yes, so I'm going in with a hot comb to kind of flatten up this place. And yeah, all right, so everything is getting well. I'm going to also burn myself in the next few minutes because I wasn't serious at all. Yes, so just basically combing the hair behind to go behind. Ouch, it burnt me so well. So I'm going to use Nairobi. This is the mousse. It's from Nairobi. I don't know, is it from Nairobi or it is just called Nairobi? I don't know, so I guess it's coming in from Nairobi, so it's Nairobi. So I'm going to lay my edges pretty well. Lay my edges. Very, very smart. So make sure you just, you know, get like sharp with, you just get a spoolie and kind of like make this baby hair sit. Am I making sense or what? Yes, make this baby hair sit as long as I want it. Hello guys. So yes, so I'm going to also apply this mousse on one side of the hair. The reason why I'm applying mousse on one side of the hair, I want you to see that I shouldn't call it like the wetty part, but I want you to see, okay, let me just say wet part. So I want you to see how these curls look in case you want to wear them like maybe a bit moist. Can I say that? Like moist? Like when you want to wear them in air, like, you know, in water manner. Yeah. Oh my goodness, this English. So we're going to divide the middle part, and then I'm going to just come in with my concealer brush. Make sure it is not a lot of foundation or a lot of concealer that you're putting on. Just something to kind of like define you where you are located. All right. So just like here, and this is how my hair is looking like. Yeah, for a start, this is how it's looking like. I still have to design it more so that you can choose your favorite part. So this is me right there. My name is Jalia. Please kindly ring the bell button, even if you don't subscribe. Ring the bell button. And yes, so this is Jalia. This is how the hair looks behind. It's in 14 inches. And you guys, I don't sell hair. Everything is down in the description box. Check your description box right now. Yeah, so I'm going to divide it and make it pour this side. I hope you understand. Just like here, you cut like here, and then you subtract. Is that right, English? You subtract the hair. You subtract the hair is from New World Hair. I'm going to leave it down in the description box. So just like here, and making sure that my hair looks good. I want whenever I walk I get compliments, which I'm looking for. So I'm also going to take this concealer brush. It doesn't have excess concealer. It just has, you know, a bit of, you know, like color. You just put something that has color already. So I'm going to put a bit of this wax on my hair to kind of slick down any hair that has been bothering me. So I'm going to put this so that we are all hydrated all the time. So yes, so I'm just going to get my hot comb and kind of like, you know, how should I say it? I'm going to get my hot comb and flatten this surface so that we can look good with it. And this is the finished look. This is how it's looking like. This is how everything is turning out. The hair is the link to this hair is down in the description box. And yes, enjoy the rest of the video as you give me a thumbs up and para.
Why did she go? Whoa. Was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa. Just tell me, why did she go?